Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for April 25th of 2025 is titled Asteroid Donaldjohanson. So what do we see here? Well, here we see an asteroid which exists in the main belt of our asteroid belt. And this is named the asteroid 52246 Donaldjohanson. Now, asteroids are named in a variety of ways, but generally by the discoverer, who gets to select a name subject to certain criteria. And in this case, it was named after the paleoanthropologist Donaldjohanson, who discovered the Lucy hominid fossil. Now here we are looking at an asteroid, and we can see that asteroids, being smaller objects, are not spherical like a lot of the other large objects we look at in the solar system. Larger objects such as planets and dwarf planets and the larger moons are large enough for their gravity to pull them and crush them into a roughly spherical shape. Smaller objects don't have enough gravity to do that and can be irregularly shaped, such as the one we see here today. And in fact, that elongation may be due to the collision of two smaller asteroids that collided together long ago and stuck together. Now this is what we call a contact binary shape, and that they've pushed together. So they may have slowly collided and pushed against one another, fusing themselves together. And we can see that you can imagine there could have been two asteroids, one here on the left and one here on the right, that slowly got closer and closer together until they fused into a single asteroid. Now, this image is not taken from Earth. We can't see details of the asteroids from Earth, just see them as pinpricks of light out in space. However, when spacecraft travel out there, we can get images when they happen to fly by one of the asteroids. And that's what happened here. This is an image from the Lucy spacecraft, which is in the process of exploring a number of asteroids. This is actually its second visit to an asteroid, and it will continue that process as it goes out to study some of the asteroids around Jupiter. So asteroids are split up in various different areas. We have the near Earth asteroids that we've looked at, that are the ones that pass close to Earth and present the largest danger to our planet. There's also the main belt of asteroids between Mars and Jupiter, which is where most of the asteroids, such as this one, exist. And then there are also asteroids that are around Jupiter. Now they actually follow in Jupiter's orbit, either ahead of it or behind it in its orbit, staying about 60 degrees away. They can be 60 degrees ahead or 60 degrees behind. And these are known as the Trojan asteroids. And that's one of the things it is headed to, and we'll be exploring asteroids there in a couple of years when it arrives in 2027. So that was our picture of the day for April 25th of 2025. It was titled Asteroid Donaldjohanson. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.